Good morning and welcome to my channel. This morning we're waking up here at 3 at last, and an incredible evening. It was really stunning. We're sitting over here, and if you look at that hill at the top, well, hill, nearly mountain at the top there, we could see a zebra, and that just made it so amazing. It was so enjoyable. So yeah, today we're heading to wild rescue. It's down south towards the coast area, but not right on the coast. It's at the Hannes Zaiman Nature Reserve, private nature reserve. So hopefully we can see some animals there that I can record and show you. Well, if it's wild rescue, they must have some rescued animals there. I'm hoping for that. But yeah, it's still quite a distance to go. If you can look at the map from where we're starting here at Free at Last, the route we're taking all the way through down to that area. We're going to cross the N2 and then down to the private nature reserve. It's going to be an interesting route. We start off here on a gravel road and go all the way through like that. I hope you enjoy the trip with us. Let's see what we can find on that side. So we've been at Free at Last now. Okay, so we're heading to wild rescue, but I did check the route when we had internet before, so I more or less got an idea, but I'm telling you, I don't know. We don't have no internet signal here, so I presume this is the right way we're going now, and I'm sure we'll be able to get there somehow once we've got internet signal.
You realize we're going back different to what we came.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. That used to be a bridge over there.
Oh.
Wow.
Or they never finished it.
Or it got washed away and they never put it back.
It must have been some flood.
Yeah.
This must have also overflowed.
Yeah, can you imagine? Now when I get to spots like this, I have to stop and just show you. I don't have much to say about the place, but just to show you and listen to the sound. Fantastic, really, this is amazing.